Is your Ninja Creami flashing an error message or refusing to run a cycle? Here's what the most common alerts mean and how to clear them. Error, install, blinking, or solid. This means something isn't fully locked in. Double check that the pint is seated in the outer bowl, the lid is clicked into place, and the bowl is locked into the base. The machine won't start unless all three are secure. Error, lights flashing with no movement. This usually signals a safety lock issue or sensor fault. Unplug the unit for 60 seconds, reassemble carefully, and plug it back in. Make sure there's no food residue blocking the latch or lid sensor. Error, unit won't spin but lights are on. Could be a jammed paddle or misaligned pint. Remove the bowl, check for blockages, and try again with a properly softened pint. Error, motor stops mid-spin. If the motor shuts off suddenly, the base may be overheating or detecting resistance. Let the unit cool for 10 minutes, soften your pint slightly, and retry. Still seeing errors? If the machine is completely unresponsive or shows blinking lights with no clear cause, you may have a failed sensor or motor fault. Ninja support link is in the description if you need to escalate. If this helped, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance guides. Got another issue? Drop it in the comments. We might feature it next. Thanks for watching and good luck clearing those errors.